Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I did this hot oil treatment on this wash day. Now let's get started with this video. So the first thing I try to do before doing any treatment, I have started to wash the hair before I do any treatment. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm shampooing her hair. As you can see, her hair is in braid. I already made a video of this braid hairstyle that I did. I will link it up or put it down below, but her hair is in braid, and what I'm going to do is shampoo her hair before I do hot oil treatment. Even though her hair is in braid and this is her natural hair that I just braided, I still want to wash her hair in sections. This helped me to make sure that I wash every part of her hair. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now let's continue with this video. Now that her scalp is clean, I'm going to start the hot oil treatment. The first thing to do is to check the oil to see if it's too hot or not. You don't want it too hot, otherwise it's going to burn her scalp. So now that the oil is the right temperature, it's not too cold, it's not too hot, I'm going to start putting it on her scalp. So all I'm going to do is put this hot oil on her scalp and massage her scalp to help stimulate hair growth. So I'm going to put oil on her scalp, and because her hair is in braid, it makes it even easier to do this. So I'm putting oil on her scalp and massaging her scalp. I already posted a video of how I made this hot oil. I will link it above or put it down below on the description box for you to see how I made this oil. Because the oil is warm, this helps open up her cuticles, which will allow this good ingredient and benefit of this oil to go deep into her hair, deep into her scalp, and help her hair stay moisturized and stay healthy. To avoid getting any split ends, I will also add this oil around her ends and just massage it. I will put it all over her hair, that section of the hair that I'm working on, and I'll put it all around, just massaging her hair, that section, massaging around, putting oil everywhere. Let me know in the comment below if you have done a hot oil treatment, or if you're planning to do this hot oil treatment. Make sure you watch the video where I show you how I made this hot oil. After I'm done putting the oil all over her hair, I will cover her hair with a plastic bag and let her sit with it for about 20 to 30 minutes, or maybe an hour. After the 20 to 30 minutes, it's time to rinse out her hair, but first I will massage her scalp to help stimulate hair growth. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now I'm going to add a deep conditioner on her hair. This has been the deep conditioner that I have been using lately. I really like this, but I feel like it might just be a little bit too thick for her hair because she has low porosity hair, and sometimes when I put too much, it just sits on her hair. But I like this deep conditioner, and this is what I have been using for the last few weeks. If you have low porosity hair, let me know in the comment below what is your deep conditioner that you always like to use. Maybe I can try that. Now I'm just going to let her sit with it for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to massage her scalp and then just rinse out her hair. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, or also don't forget to press that like button. This let YouTube know what kind of video you guys like to see. This video will be recommended to other people. Thank you guys. See you on our next video. Bye.